Welcome to another frequently asked drones questions video. And today we're going to be answering the question of how many battery cycles do my batteries have? And to check this, what you're going to do is you're going to put on your controller and you're going to click on the three dots at the top right to get into the menu. And then you're going to scroll to the battery section and you're going to click on battery info. And then you're going to see the number of cycles that your battery has on it. Now, a charge cycle is registered when 75% of the battery is used and then the battery is recharged. Also, something to note is that most DJI consumer drone batteries have a lifespan of about 200 cycles before you may start to get a little bit of decline in performance. So just something to take into consideration. If you have a question that you would like answered on the channel, please feel free to drop it in the description below. Reach out to us on social media, or you can send us an email. We love hearing from you guys. I'll see you in the next video.